If you've been following my work with Kettlewell Resonant Covers, then you probably are aware that we're looking to improve how sound is managed by the instrument. This is historically what covers of a harmonica have looked like. They are stamped on a machine, and in this case, the covers bend up, closing the back hole a little bit, leaving a very small area. That's this design. And this is the new design. And this one is shaped like half a trumpet bell here at this point here. And it goes down to a fairly flat shape at the back. And I can show you one of these covers to show you actually what they look like. Okay, what's going on, you know? And I suppose at this point it'd be fun to do a little sound test, wouldn't it? This is just dead cold. That's a stock Suzuki SCX. This is Suzuki CHROMATIC with the Kettlewell Resonant Covers designed and built by Russ Camerer. Shall we go back and forth? They handle sound differently and they process it differently. And the question of why is actually pretty complex with a lot of gobbledygook. There's the shift frequency spectra. There's better impedance matching. These are scientific terms, but let me just kind of put it into something that I could maybe grasp. Sound in a normal harmonica is unfocused. In other words, the sound kind of escapes all throughout the cover and then goes out this little space here. Whereas on the Kettlewell Resonance cover, there is a resonance chamber similar to half of a trumpet bell. And it affects what the sound does. It encapsulates the sound and allows the sound waves to overlap. The shape also, this shape, allows a better interface with the air. Okay, that's one of the scientific things that a trumpet bell does. That it actually the sound goes into the air in a more efficient manner because of this curvature. Okay, so standard covers, unfocused sound, and these covers focused, duplicating to a certain extent what you get out of a trumpet bell. But the difference between the two tones is certainly noticeable. And of course, this one has, I'd say, better projection and probably better volume has been my experience. I can give it less breath and still get, more volume. Like, I'll just do a volume test with breath equalized. Same breath. So that's the concept. And this was just acoustic. There's no equipment used, no microphones. So I'll do some more recordings today. But these are made by Russ Camerer. You'd email him at russ.camerer@gmail.com. It was my invention, but his design and build. These are the new pearlescent white, whereas they're also made in, some of them are made in this gray. And again, look at the complex shaping from way back here where it's kind of straight. And then by the time you get to the end, it's quite large. But so that was the whole idea. And by the way, if you look at wind instruments, they're not set up like a harmonica. They all have a bell. They all have a rounded shape that allows the sound to come out creamier. So this is really a concept which is reflected in all orchestral wind instruments pretty much, for your consideration.